Okay, so here we are. I'm going to take one of the first listings, and I see here it says subdivision Vista Ridge Oak. So a lot of times I can highlight that and Control C to copy. And I go into search, and the type of search is a lease. And then I'm going to scroll down. Right now it's set to active. And then we're going to put subdivision contains and paste that into subdivision. And then at the very bottom, we're going to go to lease date right here. You want to go usually about 90 days back, so 3 months back. July, June, May, April. So to April 16th, and we'll say OK. And now we want to go up here and change this status to leased. And the reason I didn't do it in the first place is if you don't put a date in there, it'll search the whole MLS. Ooh. So nothing in that neighborhood comes up for rent. Because you can see down here it says matches 0 found. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search the map, and I'm going to click on the locator button, and then I'm going to put the address in, which is 13406 Vista Oaks Drive, 13406 Vista Oaks Drive in Leander, Texas. And I'm going to have it do its search. Okay, so now it's found the address. Now, under here, under search form, I'm going to delete out the subdivision. And I'm going to, on the map, use this as a point of reference, and I'm going to draw a circle. And I'm going to go out a couple miles, maybe like this. This is 1 mile. So you can see in the radius it's giving a number. Excuse me. Now it says matches 1 found. Goodness. So can you draw another radius? 1 found. Alright. So we'll go to results. And it's a house in Cedar Park, which is close by, 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms. Usually look at the 4 bedrooms to try and get a rent price. 4 bedrooms like this one, and $1,500 for the rent. So on the Excel file, we would come down here, and you would put in, I used this comparable, MLS number, this number, and then the address, and drive, and then the rent is $1,525. Number of bedrooms is 4. Number of stories is 2. Square footage is 3,026. And A or L, this means, is it active on the MLS or is it leased? And so right now it's AC, so we put AC, that means active contingent. So if there were more, pick up to 3 that were hopefully in the neighborhood. This one didn't have any that were in the neighborhood, so then we had to go out a little ways to get some comparables. And so that is looking up lease comparables.